I don't know if you ever crave cabbage wrap, but I'll show you how to make it in case you do. For this recipe, I'll be using some beef, salt, bouillon cubes, and onion, red bell pepper, cabbage, and black pepper. I'll shred the beef using my butcher's knife. Now this is what we have, and then we'll set that aside. Next is to grate this onion, more like process this onion. I want it to have the texture from a food processor. So just hold on and see the result of this grating. Can you see that? This is just the perfect consistency ever. Also, I'll set this aside. In a clean pot, I'll go in with some oil and then go in with the beef. Now add the seasonings, the bouillon cubes, and the salt. And then I'll just allow this to, simmer or steam for say 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'll go in with the onions and then mix to combine and cover it and allow it to cook a little bit more. Now watch exactly how I'm unwrapping this cabbage leaves. I'm unwrapping it in such a way that none of it gets torn or midway or from the beginning. So you need the full cabbage leaves to achieve a perfect result. And pro tip, you need the innermost, the most interior part of the cabbage, which is usually softer than the outside. That's the one you need for this recipe, even though I used the one on the outside, but the interior is the best. So I'll be using just about 2 wraps of the cabbage, or 2 leaves rather. So here we have the cabbage leaves. I'll move on to wash and then set aside. We're going to cut this red bell pepper into the perfect shape. So you need your bell peppers long, in sticks and not in short form. So you cut it exactly this way. Today's video is dedicated to Ehura. Thank you so much for your support. You have a beautiful spirit. Let me know if you want a shout out from me in my next video. Now this is exactly the kind of sticks we are looking to achieve. Back to our meat. The meat is ready. It's very soft and tender and very juicy. This meat was so juicy. We're going to turn off the heat and get ready to fill. Spread out this cabbage leaf and I'm going to fill it up with the minced meat. I'm going to use about 2 to 3 spoons. Top up with some red bell peppers. Now it's time to roll. So this is where you need to actually look out for. Rolling complete. So I'll be rolling the second wrap. Now let me bust your bubble. Did you know that this is a beautiful alternative to stew? You can fill yours with any other protein of choice or any other way that you might want to, but you can actually use this to eat rice, beans, or so many other things. And it tastes very good. Absolutely good. Now in our pots, the same pot we used to boil the meat, we're going to add a little water and then put the 2 wraps of cabbage and cover and allow this to steam for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the juice in the meat must have infused into the leaves, and voila, you have it. It's ready. Listen, let me tell you guys, this is one way to up your cooking game. I mean, you don't need so much for this, and you have a wonderful, amazing tasting meal on your plate. I'm sure this is also keto compliant, and as well, it's a very healthy meal. Healthy and delicious. I recommend it. 10 over 10 minus nothing. So yes, I hope you guys loved today's video, and until next time that I see you, Chidima loves you. Bye bye.